Imagine waking up every morning with a sense of effortless abundance, not just in your wallet, but in every aspect of your life. A feeling of ease, knowing that the universe is conspiring to bring you exactly what you need, when you need it. What if I told you that secret frequency isn't some mystical lottery ticket, but a template you can build, brick by intentional brick? A blueprint for attracting money, not by chasing, but by becoming an irresistible magnet for abundance. In this video, we'll explore the secrets of creating your own prosperity blueprint. We'll dive into the mindset shifts, practical tools, and daily rituals that can open you up to a life filled with abundance, not just financially, but in every area imaginable. Because the truth is, abundance isn't out there waiting to be found. It's waiting to be created. Are you ready to let go of scarcity and step into a world of limitless possibilities? Then click play and join me on this journey. The time for abundance is now. Here at Better World Zone, our best thoughts and our best actions build our best world. Subscribe now to be part of the best world. Let's face it, friends, money isn't just about numbers on a screen. It's about freedom, security, and the ability to chase those dreams that whisper in our hearts. But how do we attract this abundance, not just chase it? By building our own prosperity blueprint, a personalized roadmap to financial well-being. Step 1. Think of it as painting your own masterpiece. Not a dull beige budget, but a vibrant canvas filled with your aspirations. So grab your metaphorical paintbrush and let's get creative. First, define your abundant you. Close your eyes, dear friend. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to truly dream. Imagine your ideal life, not just a few years down the line, but bursting with abundance in every corner. Is it a cozy cabin nestled in a sun-dappled forest, filled with the aroma of freshly baked bread and the laughter of loved ones? Or perhaps it's a bustling city studio, where your creativity explodes onto canvases and your art inspires the world. Maybe it's a life of travel, exploring ancient ruins under exotic skies and immersing yourself in vibrant cultures. Get specific. Paint your desires in vivid colors, write them down in a journal, and let them become the guiding stars of your prosperity blueprint. Second, build your abundance magnet. Now, let's turn those desires into reality. Identify the treasures within you, the unique sparks that make you shine. What are your strengths? What talents whisper in your soul, waiting to be unleashed? Maybe you have a knack for Zahlen und Tabellen, a way with words that weaves magic, or a green thumb that coaxes life from the earth. Hone these skills, nurture them with passion, and let them become the magnets that draw abundance towards you. Remember, your gifts are not just for your own benefit, they are bridges to connect with others, to give back to the world, and to create a symphony of shared prosperity. Third, chart your course. Every masterpiece needs a map, a roadmap to guide your brushstrokes. So break down your dreams into actionable steps, like stepping stones across a sparkling stream. Set realistic goals, achievable milestones that celebrate your progress and keep you motivated. Remember, sometimes the most stunning landscapes are revealed by taking one step at a time. Your blueprint can evolve as you do, so embrace the journey, the twists and turns that lead to unexpected discoveries and hidden treasures. Fourth, infuse joy and gratitude. Abundance isn't just about material wealth. It's a kaleidoscope of joy woven into the fabric of your life. Sprinkle your blueprint with the shimmering dust of gratitude for the blessings you already have, no matter how small. A warm cup of coffee on a crisp morning, the comforting melody of a loved one's voice, the mischievous grin of a child. These are all gifts, threads of gold woven into your tapestry of abundance. Celebrate your successes, big and small, and let your laughter echo through your days. Remember, a joyful heart is a magnet for good fortune, attracting happiness and prosperity like bees to a blooming meadow. Fifth, expand your canvas. Remember, dear friend, your prosperity blueprint isn't just about financial security. It's a symphony of fulfillment, a vibrant orchestra of joy playing in every corner of your life. So fill your canvas with all the colors of your dreams, big and small. Include your passion projects, the dream library overflowing with books, the desire to mentor young minds, the yearning to contribute to a cause close to your heart. Let your blueprint reflect the full spectrum of your desired life, a masterpiece not just of financial well-being, but of vibrant health, meaningful relationships, and a deep sense of purpose. With each brushstroke, you're not just creating a picture, you're crafting a life overflowing with abundance, not just in your wallet, but in your heart, your soul, and every aspect of your being. So, grab your metaphorical paintbrush, unleash your inner artist, and let your prosperity masterpiece come to life, stroke by beautiful stroke. There you have it, the first step in building your personal prosperity blueprint. It's your roadmap to a life overflowing with abundance, not just financial, but in every aspect imaginable. So, unleash your inner artist, paint your dreams onto that canvas, and watch your financial masterpiece come to life, stroke by beautiful stroke. Remember, your prosperity blueprint is a living document, a work of art in progress. Keep adding new colors, refining your goals, and letting your dreams guide you. With each brushstroke, you're creating a life that's not just financially secure, but also overflowing with joy, purpose, and endless possibilities. Again, abundance isn't just about money. It's about a symphony of fulfillment, healthy relationships, vibrant creativity, and a deep sense of purpose. So, fill your canvas with all the colors of your dreams, big and small. Step 2. We've sketched our prosperity blueprint, friends, but a masterpiece needs more than just a canvas and paint. It needs the magic of life itself, the flow of abundance. Think of it as a vibrant river, waiting to nourish every aspect of our lives. But how do we tap into this flow? First, let go of the dam. The first step is to release the dam of scarcity. We all hold on to limiting beliefs like money is hard to come by or I'm not worthy of abundance. These are like dams blocking the flow of prosperity. Let's identify these beliefs, challenge them with positive affirmations, and visualize them crumbling away. Remember, abundance is our birthright, not a privilege reserved for the few. Second, give with open hands. Abundance isn't just about receiving, it's about giving back. When we share our time, talents, and resources, we become vessels for the flow. Volunteer your skills, mentor someone, offer a helping hand without expecting anything in return. Remember, the universe has a funny way of returning generosity in unexpected ways. Third, plant seeds of gratitude. Gratitude is like fertilizer for the flow of abundance. Take time each day to appreciate the good things in your life, big and small. A warm cup of coffee, a beautiful sunset, a kind word from a friend. These are all blessings, seeds for the river of prosperity to grow. Cultivate a grateful heart and watch the flow become even stronger. Fourth, celebrate every milestone. Remember, the flow of abundance is within each of us. It's not about magic tricks or overnight riches. It's about releasing limiting beliefs, giving generously, practicing gratitude, and celebrating every step. Keep your blueprint alive, let it guide your actions, and watch the river of abundance cascade into every corner of your life. So, are you ready to open your heart and let the flow of abundance wash over you? Join me as we navigate the rapids and ride the waves of prosperity together. Step 3. We've laid the foundation, friends. We've sketched our blueprints, nurtured our abundance gardens, and let the river of flow cascade through our lives. Now we arrive at the final step, the most magical of all: trust, let go, and blossom. Think of it like planting a seed. You've chosen the right soil, watered it with care, and even sung it a little tune, no judgment. But at some point, you have to trust the sunshine and rain, the unseen forces that work their magic beneath the surface. So how do we trust when it comes to attracting money? It's about releasing the need for control. We can create our blueprints, set our goals, and take inspired action. But ultimately, the universe has its own timeline, its own way of weaving abundance into our lives. Trust that your efforts, your positive energy, your open heart are creating ripples in the cosmic pond. Letting go is the flip side of trust. It's releasing the grip of fear and doubt, the constant worry about what if? What if I fail? What if I'm not worthy? These whispers hold us back, choke the life out of our prosperity seeds. Instead, let go with grace. Release the need for immediate results, the pressure of perfection. Trust that the universe is on your side, guiding you every step of the way. And then, the magic happens. As you trust and let go, you blossom. Your seeds of abundance sprout, reaching towards the sun. Your dreams take flight, painted on the canvas of your life. Remember, true prosperity isn't just about a fat bank account or becoming a millionaire. It's about the vibrant tapestry of your life, woven with joy, purpose, and the satisfaction of knowing you're on the right path. So, dear friend, trust in the power within you. Let go of the fears, the doubts, the need for instant gratification. Embrace the journey, celebrate the small victories, and watch your prosperity blossom. Remember, it's not about forcing a flower open, but about creating the conditions for it to bloom naturally, in its own perfect time. And as your abundance blossoms, remember to share its fragrance with the world. The universe is listening, my friend. Keep sending out your positive energy, your unwavering belief, your infectious joy. Be a beacon of abundance, radiating kindness and generosity. The more you give, the more the flow returns, not just financially, but in every aspect of your life. This is your journey, paint your masterpiece. Then trust, let go, and blossom. The universe is cheering you on every step of the way. And because this journey is always more fun with companions, share your thoughts, your dreams, your vibrant colors in the comments below. And if you want even more guidance, tips, and inspiration on navigating this beautiful dance with abundance, hit the subscribe button and join the Better World Zone family. Together, we can paint a better world, all with a touch of magic and overflowing with joy.